Reading 6. Following directions. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to know the importance of following directions. Follow directions when taking an examination, cooking, filling out forms, taking medicines, and performing experiments. Let's do the following. Write your complete name on the upper left corner of your paper. First name followed by your middle initial and surname. On the upper right corner, write the date. Follow this format: month, date, year. At the center, draw a big heart. Inside the big heart, write the name of your mother. Below the tip of the big heart, write the equation, 25 times 4 plus 1, and solve it. Write the answer to the equation in number 5 above the heart. On the left side of the heart, write the name of your favorite color. On the right side of the heart, write your greatest wish. And circle your first name. Underline your surname. Were you able to follow the directions correctly? Following directions is an important life skill. It helps you perform different duties at home and in school. We follow directions when we 1. Take an examination. 2. Cook a certain dish. 3. Fill out forms. 4. Take medicines or follow a medical prescription. 5. Perform experiments. Failure to follow directions can be harmful and may cause a lot of trouble. The following are some of the directions we follow. Taking an examination. Write the answer on the blank. And circle, underline, box the correct answer. Read the instructions carefully. Write true or false. When cooking. Sauté onion and garlic. Dice the potato. Put a little amount of cooking oil. Fry until golden brown. Filling out forms. Use black ball pen. Use all capital letters. Write legibly. Do not leave any item unanswered. Taking medicines. Take it 3 times a day. Put 2 to 3 drops on both eyes. Take it after meals. Apply only a pea-size amount. Performing experiments. Prepare all the materials needed. Wear a lab gown. Follow the procedures carefully. Use the appropriate apparatus. Let's see how well you can follow the following directions. Read and study the sample prescription below, then answer the questions that follow. One. What is the generic name of the medicine? Answer: Latanoprost. 2. Should the medicine be taken 3 times a day? Answer: No. 3. How many drops should be applied? Answer: 1 drop before bedtime. 4. Is the medicine in liquid or ointment form? Answer: liquid form. Filling out a form. Look at the sample registration form below. Remember, forms require personal information, so you must write legibly. Let's fill out the sample form now. Following directions is an important life skill. It helps you perform different duties at home and in school.